Winter's my favorite weather, 'cause it brings you
activities
close,
that you can do.
and I need you close. Yeah, wish we could stay here forever. Each day you keep getting better. Gotta love you close, and I need you close. I need you close. Yeah, na 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 every day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am in Collingwood, and it's such a beautiful location, 1 hour 30 minutes from our place. So one side of the you can see one side Blue Mountain, and the other side you can see the view of Collingwood Harbour. So it's such a beautiful location. I'll show you, but if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it and please stay tuned. Look at the view, guys. I'm gonna zoom in for a bit. Come on. So, as you can see Blue Mountain. I don't think so you can see it. Look at the bench, guys. It's covered with snow. It's really good weather. Sunny. It's very pleasant. We can say spring is here. I hope so. So this is the other side of the Millennium Park. To see the big pile of snow. You can walk. Such a beautiful location to come for a walk, right?
Sweater. Winter's my favorite weather, 'cause it brings you close, and I need you close. Yeah, wish we could stay here forever. Each day you keep getting better. Gotta love you close, need you close, I need you close, yeah. Na 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 every day, look away. Na 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 every day, look away. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. Friends, yeah, we could be good friends. 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 We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Each time you leave me, it's harder.
guys, I'm standing in Sunset Beach Park and it's really beautiful sunset that you can see from here. Let's see the sunset together. So there are other places that you can visit. Millennium Park that I showed you, Northwind Beach that I showed you. You can do like scenic caves and Suspension Bridge. I'm gonna try to cover Suspension Bridge tomorrow. The reason is you have to wake up really early because they start at 9 o'clock and you cannot buy the tickets online, so you have to be there, and it's first come first serve basis. And as you guys already know, I'm not an early bird, but I promise you I'll try to cover. I will try my best to buy the tickets for you guys, okay? So for this you guys have to subscribe to my channel, okay? I'm waking up early. Okay, so yes, Scenic Caves is closed because it's March season, and during this season snow melts, and because of ice it's very easy to fall. So because of security they closed in the month of March. So I will come maybe in summer so we can cover the Scenic Caves. But there are other places like Georgian Trail and what are the Craiglet Provincial Park. Yes, so there are so many winter activities that you can do like skiing, ice skating. You can do, if you're interested in, I don't know how to do skating. I think I did once and it was awesome. It was really awesome, amazing experience, but I'm afraid I'm falling off, so maybe I need a good training. So these are the places that you can visit in Collingwood. So it's a must visit place because it's very close to Toronto, if you live close to Toronto or GTA area. So yeah, look, I'm gonna enjoy the view.
I need you close, yeah. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. 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 We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Each time you leave me, it's harder. Feels like I'm stuck underwater. Can't hold my breath. Can't hold my breath. Don't know what's there. I need you close. Yeah. Wish we could stay here forever. Each day you keep getting better. Gotta love you close. And I need you close. I need you close. Yeah. Na, na, na.
I hope you like this Collingwood trip. So we're gonna continue the Blue Mountain trip tomorrow. That means it will come one next week. So please stay tuned to my channel and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Bye bye.
Good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends.